All right, gang. It is moving time again. It's actually time for my daughter to head back to college. And we picked up a set of these for her to move in. And just want to tell you a little bit about them. Maybe it'll be a help to you as well if you've got a college student. But what we have here is a 6-pack of heavy-duty, large moving bags. And we picked this up starting her freshman year, and we've picked up a new set for her sophomore year because let's just be honest, she has more stuff now. Now, what we like about these bags is, number one, the bright color of them. A lot of these come in just kind of your traditional blue color, and so you can mix them up with your roommates with a blue or a gray or whatever. But these, nope, these are bright pink, easy to identify. We knew just at a glance whose was whose here. Number two, the thing that we like is they are a good size when they are fully expanded. They can hold a lot of stuff, whether it's clothes, whether it's blankets or towels or linens or whatever. They are obviously zipperable on the top. But one of the reasons that we picked these up and we absolutely love and adore these is actually because of the handles on these. It does have handles on the back side so that you can carry it long ways, or handles on the top, carry handles on the top, making going in and out of dorm rooms super easy. And finally, when now that we moved my daughter in, they fold up nice and neat. She can throw them under her bed and use them for other things. Sometimes she uses them in the grocery store and things like that. So if you are looking for some good large moving bags, I think this is the way to go. Check them out. I think you're going to love them.